How to share MyFitnessPal Diary. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download this application. Then the next thing you want to do is log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you want to tap on the diary option. Here you have the option to enter different details such as your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, add exercise, add water, nutrition, notes, and much more. As you can see, the calories is also calculated here. Now tap on the complete diary option. Now if you want to share your MyFitnessPal diary, for that you want to tap on the more option here. Once you tap on it, scroll down and tap on the settings option. Once you're on your settings, you want to tap on the diary settings option. Then you want to select the diary sharing option. As you can see, there are 4 different options. One is private, the second one is public, the third one is friends, and the fourth one is locked with a key. Now you can choose any of these options. If you want to share your diary with the public, you want to select the second option. If you want to share your diary only with your friends, you want to select the third option. However, if you want to lock your diary with a key, you want to select the fourth option. Then only members who know this password will be able to view your diary. So you can simply enter a password and then set it if you want. If you do not find the diary settings with the first method I showed you, you can also tap on the privacy center option. Then tap on sharing and privacy option. Here you have the diary sharing option. From here you can choose whichever category you want, and this is how you can share your MyFitnessPal diary. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.